lovely souls. So today let's dive into a simple EFT tapping script focused on the sacral chakra. The chakra is all about creativity, emotions and relationships. We'll do 3 rounds of tapping and I'll include some open questions to help you connect with your emotions. So we'll start with the karate chop. Even though I sometimes feel disconnected from my emotion, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I struggle to express my creativity, I honor my feelings and who I am. Even though I may have blocks in my relationships, I choose to release them now. Now we'll start with the meridian points. Sometimes I feel disconnected. I want to embrace my emotions fully. It's okay to express how I feel. My creativity is important to me. I release any blocks holding me back. I'm open to nurturing my relationships. I choose to feel deeply and authentically. I am in tune with my sacral chakra. Relax, take a deep breath and let it out. How do you feel after the first round of tapping? And what are the emotions which are coming up for you? Just be in that emotion, and now we will tap again for the round number 2. Focusing on that emotion which you came across, right? It's okay to feel this way. I acknowledge and accept this emotion. I am ready to let it go of any negativity. I choose to embrace positivity and joy. I release any tension in my body. I am worthy of love and connection. I am at peace with myself. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to feel this way. Relax. Take a deep breath. How are you feeling now? Has anything shifted or changed for you? Great. So now let's do one more round of tapping to reinforce any positive changes and release any remaining tension. Even though change can be scary, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I may still have some doubts, I trust in my ability to grow and evolve. Even though there may be challenges ahead, I am resilient and capable. I embrace change with courage. I trust in my inner wisdom. I am open to new possibilities. I release any fear of the unknown. I am strong and capable. I trust in the flow of life. I am empowered to create my own reality. I am aligned with my true self. I embrace the change with courage. I trust in my inner wisdom. I am open to new possibilities. I release any fear of the unknown. I am strong and capable. I am strong and capable. I am strong and capable. Relax. Take a deep breath. Check in with yourself. How do you feel now? What insights or revelations have you gained from this tapping session? Remember, you can always return to this tapping script whenever you need it to realign with your sacral chakra and reconnect with your emotions and creativity. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.